This video is about with an 854 and Invisio Pro with the switch box. So to start with, you can get your pump fired up, turning on your pump switch. Get your booms all spread out using your boom switches. On this unit from Beatrice, we have our factory boom switch is shut off, and our floor switch would be shut off. That would entail this green light would be off. I'll turn on the floor switch, and that turns on the green light. The red light is an indication that the servo is wide open. So, and that has been done with by the E-Pro. So I'll show you how to shut that beeper off if you need to run it with the old switches. But when the E-Pro fires up, it finds GPS, gives you the good green satellite symbol up here. This is the symbol for the auto steer, that it has a Smartrax 3D in it. So you just have to hit the play button to start a job. You can name your job by pushing on the job and hitting the page, and I'm going to name this job test, and I'm going to turn on my Accuboom by enabling it. And if you're going to make spray zones, you would click enable zone map. So set at 10 gallons per acre. If I want to change my rate, I'll come in here to product and I'll click on my rate, and let's say I want to do 12 gallons per acre. Product name, I can change that. I can put one in called Roundup. And select Roundup. So now I've got that ready to go. I'm going to hit the green check mark because I think it's the OK button. And I'm going to put my switches on the Accuboom setting. That's in the middle. So bottom is off, middle is Accuboom, and up is on. And our master switch would be here. You can put that on at this point because Accuboom will take over. If I want to get my pump pressure in the right spot, I would touch my 12 gallon per acre square here, and I would put it on manual, and I would hit my increase decrease button. So right now I'm get some engine RPM. Too much pressure, so I'm going to push decrease. Start to move, my brown, the buttons will turn green, and the booms will turn on, and I'll be spraying. There, I got going fast enough, and got my pressure up, so she's holding nice and steady, spraying a consistent 12 gallons per acre. Smartrax on it, so I'll just come down to the foot pedal, step on the foot pedal, and it automatically pulls me over. Alright, I ran out of water. numbers depending on the unit you have. Like this is an 854, late 90s model, and it's set at 14 and 11. So raising the number will make things respond faster. Lowering the number will decrease the response. This one, I can kind of see the wheels adjusting very subtle.